Hey yo, hey yo, I told y'all I was taking over, right? Check me out.
What's up, Dream Team? Okay, so subby spotlight. I want to shout out Nandika and Angel. Thank y'all for leaving comments. I really appreciate the support. Okay, stay tuned for a giveaway where I'm going to be giving 3 subbies a surprise. Find out how to enter later on down the line here. Anyway, so we have a number 20 Kolinsky brush off of Amazon that I'm reviewing today. This is actually the ANGNYA brush. Yes, with the heart, as you guys can see. I haven't seen any reviews on this brush. I'm going to compare it to my number 10 Kolinsky brush. So I have them side to side right here. The number 20, of course, is bigger. You know, I really like this brush though, you guys. It's like, oh my gosh, it just grabs like the perfect bead, like a perfect chunky bead. I mean, if you know how to work acrylic, then you're going to be able to get, of course, a small bead as well. So, yeah, stay tuned. As you can see, it is a brush that you could take off the handle, put it on one side. From the other side, you can extend it. You can make it smaller. You know, you could do whatever you want with this brush. It's so cute. As y'all can see, it's like a really pretty brush. Now, let's go ahead and pick us up a bead. This is actually the pink acrylic by Maya Secret. Look at that bead. Oh my gosh. Just laying the bead into this practice nail was so freaking satisfying. Like, I can't even tell y'all. Like, it was literally satisfying. Drop a comment below if you know what it means to be satisfying when you're laying a bead of acrylic. Like, it's worthwhile, I'll tell you that. Anyways, make sure y'all stay tuned to the end to see the rules about the giveaway I'm doing, where I'm giving 3 of my subbies, you know, a surprise, you know, it's a surprise. So y'all won't know until after I'm getting ready to send out the surprises what exactly they are. So if y'all with it, make sure y'all follow the directions. I will be at the end. What I want my subscribers to do is also send to my Instagram, you know, a picture of some nails that they would like to see me do. Also, make sure you tell me if you want it to be polygel or if you want it to be an acrylic set. Okay, thank y'all, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And for all my subscribers, thank you for being subscribed. For the rest of this video, it's just going over the application. You know, with this, see, I'm doing a comparison, but I didn't notice that I was out the freaking, I was out the frame a little bit there. But this is me using my Kolinsky brush. Of course, I'm getting way smaller beads compared to what I can get with my number 20 brush. So, you know, I'm just going back and forth and, you know, just comparing it. Let me know if y'all seen this brush on Amazon and if you were ever thinking of getting it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. I definitely like it. Bye. See y'all later.
Bye.